Hey guys, Asupanda back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So thank you for likes, shares, comments on the previous video. And yes, more people watched, so we are very happy.
Thank you.
But then again, as the title suggests, yes, we were actually contemplating, should we actually continue uploading videos on YouTube? And it happens because, see, YouTube after a point of time stops promoting your videos. Because for certain reasons, like, we are not those people like who are like constantly make anything and upload anything kind of stuff, right? So that's the reason why we usually upload something when we feel strongly that we should record something, and we are not the greatest of editors and a team full of people. So yes, so we take our time, right? But apparently, if you take your time, YouTube does not take time for you. Right. So yes, we were feeling a little depressed that we should probably just give up on the whole idea. And so anyways, that is now a thing of the past. Now we have started thinking that we will now start uploading with videos with a great bit of vigor rather than earlier that we were not doing. So we'll, yes, definitely. Also, instead of thinking so much, like, and I came across something really lovely I was watching on YouTube the other day that said, you know, what do we start caring about? We start caring about the audience. At the same point of time, we start caring about the friends and family. Actually, nobody cares about what you are uploading, right? Unless it does not add value for them to watch, they won't watch it. And if you're not doing it regularly, they'll just not even search for you anymore. So yes, so that is what has changed now. Okay, Crafty Wifey is also now very positive. She's just met a few new Naga faces in Gujarat.
Yes, finally.
And now it brings us to the second part of what we were saying, that, you know, and I thought we should probably speak about this, is that there's a lot of questions that we get asked because, see, everybody just, we human beings like to assume stuff, right? Acha, that person is that place, okay, he's there, so this is what happens. And obviously we build our opinions based on certain things that we've heard. So if you want to base your opinion of how we do and what we are doing in Gujarat, so I thought we should probably speak about it as well. Because one question that I constantly get asked from people back home in Nagaland is, Yaar, how do you manage? Everybody is a vegetarian. No, everybody is not a vegetarian, by the way. Okay, people are vegetarian, people are non-vegetarian as well. There is some amazingly, because if you see, we have done a lot of non-vegetarian. I recently ended up doing a good non-vegetarian recipe upload. So yes, you do get good non-vegetarian food here as well.
Fresh ones.
Yeah, and like fresh ingredients, you'll get really nice, lovely fresh ingredients. Whether it comes to meat, or whether it comes to chicken, or whether it comes to even seafood. And because we have these two ladies, amazing seafood they give us. Just yesterday we ended up having akhone and fish curry. Another thing that usually we get asked about, and one of the biggest worries about Crafty Wifey is that how will I cook? So yes, have your neighbors ever complained by?
No, never.
Yeah, exactly. See, if you're eating, right, cook it, and if somebody complains, then obviously you have to address that probably. But if you just keep it to yourself and you're cooking and nobody is even noticing it, you don't have to tell them again and again, listen, I am cooking akhone, why are you not making noise? Listen, some people make noise, they'll always make noise, some people do not, right? So we've never had that thing from our neighbors, neither in Pune nor here in Baroda.
Yeah. I make akhone and I burn this sukamas also and sukawala also, but nobody said anything.
Exactly. See, I believe, so akhone has never been a problem. Sukamas has never been a problem. And yes, we do get lovely non-vegetarian ingredients here. And there are places where you can go out and eat as well. Amazingly, there is an amazing Naga restaurant in Ahmedabad.
We have to go there.
And we have to go there again. Yes.
Thanks for reminding.
I should not use that word, no? I should probably beep that out. So, yeah, now what we are actually looking for is Crafty Wifey needs new plants. And we found this amazing because I've realized this thing also with nurseries and malis and everything. Some of them are really overpriced for no reason. Same thing, same everything, Some of them are really decent. So we've really found this decent person, as you can see.
Last time I got one stand, flower stand. Shop wala, he said 1,000 something. Then I went to another shop right next to that shop. I got it for 700 rupees. He said 750. I told him to give me discount. He gave me 50 rupees discount.
So she feels really nice that she got 50 rupees discount.
But they're like, exactly the same line shop. One is asking for 1,000 something, one 750. The same thing.
Exactly. This time around, yes, finally I have people who've interacted with us. So thank you for everybody who's left a comment, because my hands are itching to fly the drone. So let's try and see that if we can find a nice place to fly the drone, right?
Yes. Oh, garam jalebi.
She is looking for garam jalebi.
Jalebi.
So yes, what I wanted to say was that yes, we are not going to give up on our YouTube so soon. ये देखो
If you don't want to get burned.
कैसी सनस्क्रीन आ रही है, क्राफ्टी भाई के पास सारी है.
वीडियो बनाया
1050
हाँ?
1050 तो गमला गिरेगा नहीं सेफ्टी में ना.
Yes, anything that you end up choosing,
I always end up liking expensive stuff. That means I have a good eye, na?
yeah, you have a good eye for spending money. So according to her, anything that she likes is usually expensive. Okay, it could be the other way as well. She only likes expensive things. Like I
Because I have
said,
a good eye.
very expensive with us. So we found a good spot to fly our drone, and this is a nice road, just basically about 20 minutes outside Vadodara. But as usual, looper ho gaya ji. Cable nahi lai. So I didn't bring the cable that connects the remote to the what do you call the iPad. So unfortunately, now we cannot fly the drone. But we nonetheless had a great drive. Yes. Now, as you can see, nice chilled out road. But yes, because it has rained and there is stagnant water everywhere, there are plenty of mosquitoes. The mosquito army basically just bit us crazy. So we are back in our gadi and now we are off to.
Straight home.
Yeah. Actually, my English is also getting bad. Yeah. Right? A lot of people over here is like, you ask them, where are you going? I'm off to office. I'm off to home. I am off to home also. Okay. So, I will see you next time. So, thanks for watching. Keep watching. Until next time, Oshi Kimti. Tawa.